Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at drinking water facts, arsenic in New Jersey. We're going to learn all about it. First, we know arsenic is a toxic element that can be found in rocks and soil that are present in New Jersey's geology. Arsenic is a concern particularly in New Jersey's northern counties because of its bedrock geology. Also, arsenic can enter groundwater through rocks and soil, and drinking water wells can become contaminated with arsenic that's used by families for drinking and cooking. So what is the regulatory standard for arsenic in drinking water? New Jersey has a maximum containment level, MCL, of 5 micrograms per liter. For arsenic, if arsenic levels are greater than 5, we encourage the use of bottled or properly treated water for all drinking and cooking, and encourage the installation of a treatment system. The maximum containment level, MCLG, for arsenic is 0, and the MCLG is a non-enforceable public health goal that represents the maximum level of containment drinking water in which no health effects would occur. And also one fact to know is, effective 2006, the New Jersey arsenic standard was lowered from 50 to 5, and the federal standard was reduced from 10, and New Jersey MCL is the most protective in the country. So for the health effects of arsenic, drinking water with high levels of arsenic can increase the risk for several types of cancer, including liver, bladder, kidney, lung, and skin cancer. Other health problems include heart disease, diabetes, immune system effects, and respiratory problems. Also, young children and fetuses are at great risk. This is why this is a big issue, because arsenic crosses the placenta, may affect fetal development. Fetuses, infants, and children may be more sensitive to effects of arsenic than adults. In utero and early life, arsenic exposure has been linked to adverse effects later in life, and there is some evidence that long-term exposure to arsenic in children may lower IQ. So how do you know if there's arsenic in your drinking water? Well, it's hard to tell, because arsenic is odorless and tasteless in water and can only be detected through laboratory testing. Individuals on public water are not responsible for water testing, while those with private wells are responsible. So, what we can see is public water. The public water utility is required to test for arsenic in their water supply if levels are found above the New Jersey drinking water standard of 5 liters. And your water utility is required to treat and remove the arsenic concentration below this health-based level. There's also private wells. Unlike public water, private well owners are responsible for testing their own well water for arsenic and other contaminants. Additionally, the New Jersey Private Well Testing Act, New Jersey PWTA, is a law which requires private wells to be tested at real estate transfer every 5 years. By properties which are leased in New Jersey, the PWTA requires arsenic testing in 12 counties: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morrison, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. So how can you tell if your well water has actual issue, or how can you test it? Private well owners should test their well every 5 years. And can you treat your private well water for arsenic? Effective treating devices will reduce contamination in drinking water. The New Jersey Department of Health tested and evaluated treatment systems to determine the most effective and cost-effective user-friendly treatment devices, and they recommended a whole house point of entry granular ferric absorption system. A good description and explanation of this treatment recommended is available in the New Jersey Department Information Circular right here. You can also see a map for available testing data and some information such as naturally occurring arsenic. This is the second most detected contaminant in private wells in New Jersey, and almost 9% of all wells tested in northern New Jersey have arsenic above the New Jersey drinking water arsenic standards of 5 liters. So this is a huge issue. Actually, as we can see, this is something to definitely be aware of, especially in New Jersey. That's why it's always a good idea to have your water periodically tested.